everyone, I'm Emily, the social media coordinator here at SBBlooms, and today we have a special guest.
I'm Kelly, I'm the customer experience manager.
So today Kelly will be joining me on our how-to series with SBBlooms. We are recreating this lush mantle install with our Jane collection that has been highly requested from Morgan from Cheers wedding. And we're super excited and we love how it turned out. So if you are new here and you don't know what how-to with SBBlooms is, we poll our Instagram story on what install you want to see next week. So go check that out and let's get into the install. Okay, and there you have it, a lush mantle install featuring our Jane collection. So what are the products that we used today?
Okay, so at the bottom of this mantle, we did 2 grand centerpieces. For Morgan's wedding, her mantle was a lot bigger, and we did just 1 grand centerpiece on the bottom right corner. However, you can add as many grand centerpieces and stands as you want at the bottom as you wish. For the top, we did 2 large Jane centerpieces to kind of create some height at the top on either side. And then it looks like we have 2 garlands, and then I believe this is 3 on this side with some aisle markers and some posies to fill in. So just make sure to keep some command hooks on hand as well as zip ties. Those are the key elements for any installation with us here at SBBlooms, and the installation will be a breeze.
Yes. So if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
We're excited for next week.
See you next time. Bye.